Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing... I don't even know what this look is called. I started out saying I was going to do a festival look, but it's not festive enough to be a festival look. I just kind of started and I liked where I was at with it once I did the eyes, so I decided just to leave it there, not go any crazier. So it's just something fun, some warm colors. I threw a little glitter and some fun sequins, star sequins, glitter stars, whatever. I threw some fun glitter stars up in the corner and just decided to go with it. It's a different look for me, something I've never done, but I really like it. I played with some old products that I hadn't played with in a while and was reminded how much I love them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So as you can see, I have one eye partially done. I wanted to go ahead and kind of test this look out on this eye before I start on this eye, just for precaution. I've never done a festival look, so I was kind of nervous as it was. And well, I was like, let's practice on one eye before we do the full on camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So on this eye, I started off with Shape Tape. This is by far one of my favorite concealers. You guys, anyone who loves makeup has had to have heard of this concealer. I'm just gonna apply it all across the lid, come over in the corner, and a little bit under my eye. This is going to be my primer, and also because I'm doing my eyes first, this will make it easy for the foundation to blend in without messing up anything we've already done. Next, I'm going to go with my Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to blend that in real quick. I'm actually going to be going in with a few palettes today just because I didn't have one palette that had all the colors I wanted to use. So we're gonna kind of be going in between 4 palettes. You could probably do this with 2 of these, but the specific colors I wanted. But the first one is the NYX. This is the Brights Palette. I guess that's what it says on the back. And I'm just gonna start off with these 2 bottom yellow shades. I'm gonna start with this first one, which is more of a mustard. And I'm just gonna pick it up with my blender brush. And I'm just gonna kind of start going in the crease. We have like a nice yellow base. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe Dare to Create palette. This palette, I love it, but it's so big. And I'm gonna be starting off with this end. This is one of the contour shades. Using that same brush, I'm gonna pick some up. And I'm just gonna put that brown right in my crease and bring it up slowly. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my tapered Morphe blender brush, and I'm gonna be picking up this nice brown right here. It's hard to see because this palette's literally so big. And I'm just gonna be picking that one up and just kind of throwing it over in the corner and bringing it over just to darken everything up. Okay, the next palette I'm going to be going in with is with my Tarte Swamp Queen palette. I've hit pan on so many shades in this palette, but I still have this really gorgeous like sunburst orange in there, that dark coppery. And I'm going to pick up some of that and just slowly bring it in. Then once I get it in and it's not yet blended, I'm going to go back in with this one. I'm going to pick up some of that mustard color. Go back in and I'm going to blend it with some of that yellow still on the brush. And just take your time kind of like really blending it out. I'm going to take my Luxie 239 brush and I'm going to pick up some of that mustard color from the NYX palette and I'm going to put it right in the corner and I'm going to kind of bring it down and right under my waterline in the corner as well. Okay, next we're going to go in with the final palette, and this is the Lorac Pro Mega Pro number 3. I'm just going to be using one color out of this, and it's that walnut color. I probably could have used a color out of the Morphe palette. I just for some reason had this exact shade in my mind that I wanted to use, and I'm just going to throw it on the rest of the lid. For this part, I'm going to use a mirror. I'm going to try to hold it over here so you guys can still see, but this part's a little tricky, so I'm just gonna literally take the wand from the adhesive and just in the corner put a light little layer, just enough over that yellow. Pat it in a little bit, and then I'm also gonna bring it down over here. And I'm just gonna slowly start dropping them in over top of that adhesive. Okay, I'm done. That's so much more difficult than you would think. It's really hard because they're so little. The stars are literally like so tiny, so it more looks just like a cluster, not really stars, but it's okay. But you can kind of see I just did it in the corner and just barely going onto the lid. Next, I'm gonna take that gold glitter that comes with a kit. It's like a really gold glitter. And I'm just gonna take the slanted part of this, and I'm gonna start where the stars kind of in, and just in the crease, I'm gonna draw a thin line of adhesive all the way over. And once that's done, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe. It's just a really thin liner brush. I'm gonna pick up some of that glitter, and I'm just gonna pat it on to the line we just drew. So I'm actually going to be taking, this is a Mary Kay bronze. It looks more burgundy, but it's definitely bronze lipstick, and this is in the shade Downtown Brown. And I'm going to take it and just draw a little wing with my thin little pencil brush. So now that I drew just that little soft brown wing line, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and mascara off camera, and then I will be right back to go ahead and start on foundation. I went ahead and primed with my MAC primer. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Real Techniques. I'm not sure what brush this is. Oh, it's 200. It's like a nice little concealer brush. I really enjoyed this brush so far. TJ Maxx, like $2. Best find ever. And then I'm gonna be taking my Becca. This is their Ultimate Coverage Concealing Cream, and this is the shade Butterscotch. The shade's a little too warm for me, but I'm gonna blend it in with everything. It'll be fine. I really like this concealer. The only downside to it is it is a little bit thicker, so you really have to blend it out, but it covers, the coverage is like amazing. So now that I've applied my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm almost out of this one, so let's hope I have enough to finish this video, because that would be really bad. This is the Maybelline SuperStay Up to 24-Hour Foundation, and this is in the shade 130. Again, this one's actually a little too tan for me as well, but we're gonna make it work. That was so... Let's do that again. You can see that this coverage, it is buildable, and it definitely is a full coverage foundation. So now that I have my foundation on, I am going to go ahead and go in with some concealer. I know I did concealer with the Becca. That was just because I needed a little extra coverage for under my eyes, just because my allergies and everything. But I'm going to go in with the ColourPop, and this is their No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Light 20. I'm just going to go in with this just to give myself a little extra brightness. Just go ahead and take your beauty blender and blend everything on out. So I did go ahead and take my Model's Own translucent setting powder and just set all over my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake with the Bella Pierre banana setting powder. And I'm just going to go ahead and okay, it's finally time to dust off my baking powder, so I'm going to be taking my Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. And I like to use this just to dust off my baking. Okay, to save a little time because we do have a lot left, I'm going to go ahead and do my contouring and brows off camera, and I will be right back to finish up. Okay, I'm back, and what a difference contouring and eyebrows make. So next we're going to go ahead and go back in and just finish up our eyes now that we have our foundation and everything set. I'm going to take this palette and go back in with my Luxie 239 brush, and I'm going to pick up that mustard color, and I'm just going to kind of go back right in there. Now once we have that set, I'm going to pick up this the Morphe palette and go back in with that first shade we used, and I'm just going to set under my eyes. I am using a wider brush just because I wanted to bring it down a little further. I'm going to go in with my mascara, and today I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I'm just going to go in and make sure my hair's out of the way. Okay, so now that my brows and everything's done, I've went ahead and done my under eye. We are going to go ahead and do lips. If only I could decide what lip color to use. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink, and this is in the shade Loyalist. I'm probably going to mix this one with another one because it is a little bit too light of a nude for me. But we will see. We'll see how we like it. I love these because they stay all day, but they're impossible to get off. So I think I might actually, before I go in with this one, I'm going to take my Revolution, and this is lipstick. This is in the shade Chauffeur. And I'm just going to like put a little layer. This will keep the other color on top. That's such a gorgeous color. I do want to use this one, but if I just put it on by itself, it doesn't come off easy. So when I go to wash it at night, it's awful. I still love it. It's still a great color. Ooh, yeah, I like that. That's pretty. Okay, next I'm going to go in with highlighter, and today I'm going to be using two different highlighters. First, I'm going to go in with my favorite, my A1 since day one, my Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm like literally, this is a big pan, and I've used so much of it. It's my favorite highlighter. I'm going to be taking this brush. I don't know who makes this brush. I tried to find out in a video I did earlier, and I couldn't find out. And just go ahead and throw some of that on the cheeks. And we're gonna go ahead and take that up the bridge of the nose. Bam! Look at that highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Revolution bronze. This is the Revolution Vivid Shimmer Brick and Bronze Kiss. It's really gorgeous, as you can see. I'm just gonna take the top part of this, and I'm literally gonna go one little sweep and just kind of throw that over top of it. All right, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. I really like this one. Something different for me. I don't tend to do a lot of like mustard colors in my makeup. I always see them on other beauty gurus' Instagrams and YouTube videos, and I love them. I've just never been one to try it, but tonight I was like, let's do it. Let's throw a little mustard up there on the old palette. Anyways, I hope you guys love this look. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, because I would surely appreciate it. And we could be best pals for life. Besties for the resties. A1 since day one. The peanut butter to my jelly. All that. And yeah, like and share this video with your friends. And also, if you click the little bell below the video, it'll turn on your notifications so you'll get notified when I upload a new video. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. I don't think there is. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was really loud. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time.